All right. Red alert pretty much here, guys. We've got Invisalign. So Align Technology. That's the braces that people have that are kind of invisible. It's like a little mouth guard thing you have to wear nonstop. The stock had only missed earnings by $50 million out of a billion. So up, 5%. Okay. Not a small thing, but in my opinion, not lots. Considering when I zoom out on this in a sec, you're going to be like, what the hell? Um, the, the all-time high of this stock was just 2 years ago. It was $750, guys. This stock is now down 50% on the year. It was like 263 to start the year out, or 52 weeks, I should say. 130 bucks right now. It's down 37% on this. I think this could be one of the biggest turnarounds tomorrow. Just like I don't know if this is a long-term turnaround. I have no clue. I really don't know. I couldn't tell you. But based on the Fibonacci here, it's looking like a very, very, very high chance to at least go back to 146.05. Okay. This is just a number you'd like. Let me try and zoom on this here for you. 146.45, and then, a slightly decent chance to go all the way to 157. And you can see down here the 13 EMA is kind of swinging down, but this is a fast time frame. This is a 15-minute. You'd have to look at the 1 hour to get a better idea of it. But in terms of Fibonacci's, like we're talking, it's at 130 right now. We're talking $16 swing up per share. You could buy for every share of this if it goes up to this number, free month of Discord, free just for every share. You buy 10 shares, you buy 12 shares, you're going to get a whole year of Discord if it goes up to this number for free. Okay? So anybody watching this that's not in the Discord, join the Discord, because this is the kind of shit we come across. Normally you don't catch falling knives, but I mean, this is a little different. Their EPS only missed by 8 cents out of 249. Like, who cares? We've had companies that were double beating falling. This is excessive. This is utterly excessive. This is as if the stock didn't make any revenue, was losing money. Like, it didn't even do that. It made money. It made $950 million. It's not like it lost money. 157 is a secondary, and we have seen Fibonacci's go all the way here. I don't want to call that. I don't want to say, yeah, it's going to 166. But by all means, if you zoom out on this, okay, 1 year, 1 day, right? Like I said, it's down 50% on the year. The absolute low was 141. We're already below that. That was like the lowest point it's been. Then you got to go back here. We're in July of 2021. So just after CV19, right? July of 2021, 737 bucks. You're getting in at 130. It's not even. It's 129.50 as I'm recording this. But let's call it 130 divide 737. You're getting in at 17.6% of the all-time high. Like, if it goes lower, so be it. You're in a hold. But I mean, they're not losing money. They're making revenue. They're generating a profit. So I don't know. I just had to get this video out. If you go back, like, way back, I mean, I don't even know how far back is this. So at the literal height of the pandemic is the last time it's been this price. The height of the pandemic, when everybody thought everybody was good. Well, everybody who only watched the news and didn't have their own brain thought that everyone was going to die, and their lives were going to be changed forever. And all that bullshit. And they were watching all the athletes on TV still, like, playing sports and having a good time, but you're gonna get, if you go out, you're in trouble. It was that's the last time it was that price. So you haven't seen this price in nearly 5 years. You haven't seen this price. And before then, okay, yeah, it was below that. Could it go down? It could go down. But I mean, come on. You're going to tell me no institute is going to pick this up at 17% of the all-time high? No institute tomorrow is going to step in and rebuy this? I absolutely think this is getting bought up tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a busy day though, because we had Meta. Meta is like all-time high again, $780. They're pushing it to 2 trillion on Meta. They're going to be pushing Microsoft. I mean, they're already doing it. It's 558. They're going to push that to 4 trillion to join NVIDIA. Seems like there's no end to the Mag 7. How many trillions they can funnel into it. It's borderline money laundering at this point, because I don't understand why those companies are worth that when even 24 months ago they weren't even half of that. Like Meta's disgusting. No one wanted this thing at like $80. Zuckerberg was in front of judges and getting berated for being a creepy lizard. 2023 it was $88. It's just this chart is the exact opposite of a line. Just flip it upside down and that's where you're at. But that's not exactly how it works because of market cap. It's not even here though. The funny thing, like this stock right now, it looks like that, right? This is how gross this move is. This was close. The stock is at 778. So that's 750, 760, 770, 780. This is the move on this is what the chart literally looks like right now. Is there any candle on this whole chart? This is every day. This is like 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. This is by the day. Is there any candle that looks like that on the you think that's going to hold? You're out of your goddamn mind. Okay? Please don't chase that. This is a daily chart, and that I don't see a candle like that ever in the history of Meta. The biggest candle you can see is maybe like down here, like this little one, or maybe this one here, which is quite massive, or this big red one. What the hell candle looks like that on Meta on the daily? I'm going on a line. I would short the piss out of Meta. Find whatever the 2 trillion is, short the piss out of it at that point. You're going to have profit takers on this. No ifs, ands, or buts, okay? Guarantee it. But I'm going with the line. Had to get it out to you guys. It's already been put out for the Discord, so they're already profiting. I'm up 280 on my position at current present, but I've loaded more shares. 280 closed, and then I have open. It's hard to tell because it's calculating it based on yesterday's numbers, but so we're doing okay there. And where are we holding to? I don't know. Probably, like I said, those Fibonacci numbers. I'll put them up one more time for you. If you like this kind of stuff, join the Discord. Link is in the description. Link is in the comments. 146.05. It should be we're talking 99% chance it goes there. Now, here is an obvious point of interest right here, which does not align with the Fibonacci for whatever reason, and that is approximately 150.80 or 151. So we'll throw that on there as the sec. So this is 0.1. This is 150 to 181, or sorry, 150.80 ish. So that'd be 0.2, and then you got 0.3. That's where I would go with on ALGN. You get 100 shares though, guys. It goes up to 146. You're making $1,600 tomorrow. Downside risk is on every play, guys. Downside risk is on everything. Unless your name is NVIDIA and you just go up forever indefinitely because money printing is infinite. I hope you like that, guys. I hope you guys make money on this play. If you do, please come back to the video tomorrow and leave a comment. Much appreciated.